Oh yeah guys, what's up man? This is the boy Dennis here. Yeah, today I'm going to show you how guys on how you can make money online for free using using an affiliate marketing. So please keep on watching this video, watch the full video and understand, because once you skip, or if you don't follow the steps that I'm going to show you, then it's impossible. You're not going to understand on how the system works. So please stick with me, uh, A up to Z until the end, then you understand and know how you can make money online for free. As you can see, first of all guys, I took a screenshot to my one of account on ClickBank. As you can see guys, here I've been making consistent daily 452 600. These are daily guys, as you can see, starting from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All these days I've been making money. So I want to show you guys that it is possible guys to make money online for free. So please stick with me and understand on how the system works, as I'm going to show you step by step on how the system works. So please stick with me guys. This is a screenshot of with the one of my account that I took. Been making with I'm making all these guys without a website. You must remember this, and also for with free traffic. So stick with me so that you can understand on how it works. I don't wanna make this video long, so okay, let's go. Let's start actually. Today, first of all, we're gonna go to the website called ClickBank. This is a website that we're gonna use right now. It's called ClickBank. What you're gonna do here in ClickBank, first, if you don't know what the ClickBank is, go to to their website called clickbank.com. Sign up is free, it's free to start. It's free actually. You create a free account there, then you are good to go. Once you create a free account, it is a step to create an account everywhere in the world. So once you've done that, go to the place called Marketplace. Once you go to the Marketplace, here the Marketplace, okay, here it is. Once you go to the Marketplace, choose the product that you want to promote guys. Choose the product. There's a lot of products here in ClickBank, as you can see guys. Lot of them. There's a but I highly recommend that if you starting an online business, actually you can start with what do you call, there's a three niche that I can recommend to you guys. One is health and fitness. Number two is wealth, health, wealth, and yeah, I think these two they're fine, but there is a lot here. There's okay, first let me check. E-business marketing, this is a wealth one, and there's also health here, I think. They are the health and fitness as well. Those are the niches that I can recommend it to you guys. They are converting like crazy. Right now I'm running weight loss niche, and guys, I'm telling you, it is converting like crazy. Also there's those people like there's a green product. What a green product is, let me show you guys here. Okay, green product it's like wood. Okay, I'm sorry. Actually I got no idea with this, but yeah, most people, I think they know green product is additive images. Yeah, those. Yeah, okay, but actually I don't do green product. Yeah, I don't know what it is. I always go with the health and fitness, and the e-business marketing, wealth, and these two. I always go with this one, because these are the ones who are which are converting like crazy guys. I'm telling you now, you must know now. Okay, so once you, what do you do here? Actually, like let's go to health and fitness. Where the health and fitness, like here Once you go here, the health and fitness, what you're gonna do first here is you're gonna check the product which are converting. And how do you know that? Where you go here, there's a place where it is telling you, saying Gravit. As you can see here, this is the number one product which is converting in ClickBank. You can see there's a 500 700 579 0.21 guys, Gravit. It means each and every week one of the affiliates which are promoting this business, one, it can make is making more than 579 sales every week, guys. So this product called Okinawa Flatbed Tonic is converting like crazy. And as you can see here, average per sale, what you're gonna make, 136.40 cent, guys, if you promote this this product. This is the amount that you're gonna make. And how do you do to promote this? You just go here to promote, you click promote. You're gonna wait to load, you promote, then you're gonna put your nickname here. Then you once you done that, you can also put your tracking ID, like I don't know where anywhere that you want to promote, so that you can see who buy. Especially once you are using YouTube, you can write YouTube. If you are using Quran, if you are using Facebook, you can write Facebook, so that you can see where the traffic coming from, or where the sales coming from. Then once you've done that, you just click generate hop link. Then ClickBank is going to give you this ugly link, guys. So okay, I'm gonna show the hand on how to short this link to become to look beautiful at the end of this video. Okay, so once you take the affiliate link, the first thing that you have to see is you go first, you click here, you check the information. You have to know the information before you before you promote this product. You see the information. As you can see here, first there's the short video. Yeah, I think most of products on ClickBank, they are having this. Sorry for that. Okay guys, I think there's a video here. You're gonna watch the video and understand what the product works, so that you can get more information, guys. So once you have done that, then you're gonna go to Facebook, guys. I think most of people, they're asking, Facebook, how can you do on Facebook? Guys, I'm going to show you now that it is possible to make money on Facebook for free, with free traffic. You see the result that I was showing you. I made those commission for free using Facebook, guys. I want to show you here on Facebook what you're going to do. First, you're going to create what do you call page, guys. As you can see, there's a pages that I'm lining here. There's a weight loss, more tips, and fitness. Again, there's a fastest way to lose weight. All these pages are mine, guys. Let me show. I started this. I'm growing this, guys. So what you do here, basically, okay, I'm sorry for this. What you do here basically is, so what this, okay, this is my group that I'm growing, guys, and I'm telling you, it is converting like crazy, this group. So what are you gonna do actually when you're here? There's a lot of gurus there. They're gonna tell you, once you take link, you must spam. You go to the groups, you start spamming people there. I'm telling you, guys, that is not gonna work, and it will never work. I have done that, and I never make any single sale, guys. But the system that I'm going to show you, this, guys, I'm telling you, it is gonna work, and you're gonna thank me later. Actually, yes, it doesn't happen at night. You have to put a little bit of work. You have to keep on doing that, guys. But what you're gonna do first is you start first providing value, guys. So once you provide value, then Facebook is going to push your group to the most to many people. They're going to see your group, so that you can make a lot of money, guys. So Don't start on making money first, start on providing value. Once you start on providing value, I'm telling you guys, Facebook is gonna grow your page, and you're gonna see a lot of people coming to you and buying, because they're gonna trust. Once you start spamming people, they don't trust you. They're gonna, this one is just spamming, what you don't need to make money, then don't buy through your link. But first, what you need, if you want to succeed on any business, start providing value. Once you provide value, guys, I promise you're gonna make money. Just stick on what you are doing. Don't spam people. If you spam, you won't gonna make money. Keep on providing value each and every day. Then we thank me later. So once you create a group, I think everybody knows how to create a group, guys. I don't want to make this video long. Once you've done that, you just go to ClickBank, to the product that you want to promote. Take the full information, take everything, guys. Take the full information, take your time, guys. Understand the product, what it says. Then once you've done that, because every product is got it got more information. Once you go here to there, you see, if you want to promote like this product, you just go to affiliate page. There's every product got affiliate page. You just go to affiliate page here to see the information of the product. As you can see here, guys, vendors are providing a lot of information for you to promote this product. As you can see, there's email swaps, keywords that you can use. There's install pixels, and there's a lot of things, guys. So here, once you stick, you're gonna see the information, the full information, guys. You can take all this information, you just edit a little bit, and you post it there to your Facebook. Then yeah, people obviously they're gonna see, and you're gonna make money. Tell the people what the product works, how does it work, how is it going to help them to solve their problem. Yeah, that is it, guys. It's just simple as that. You see, there's a lot of information you're gonna take from here. Lot of information. So once you know how it works, then you're done. And as you can see, guys, this product, it pays 100% commission once you promote that product. It means, guys, it's massive. You can make $100 a day, 200, 500 daily. As you can see, the money that I was showing you, how much I'm making, guys. This is real. This is not frap like other gurus telling you they can make so much, but they never show you the truth. How they never show you how they are making those money. But today I'm showing all this for free, guys. And also down below on this video, I'm gonna leave the if you want to know more on how to make money online, I'm going to leave the link down below. It's going to tell to show you step by step on how you can make money online. So stick with me until the end. I'm going to leave the link below. Just click the link down below, and yeah, follow the steps there. Then once you take the information here, guys, what you're gonna do next, you just go to your page that you have created. You just click post here. You see all these I've been promoting, guys. And the Okinawa, that one, the product that we saw, I'm promoting also here. Also this product, it made me more than I think $800. This product, Okinawa flatbed, it made me more than 800. Yeah, just like that. Okay, guys, so once you are here, you just create to come to create post. You create post here. Once you create, you take the information, you add the value there, you put a nice picture, a PNG one. Yeah, then you're good to go. People, they're gonna see. But when you are starting, don't start on spamming people, just putting your link there. Don't ever do that. Facebook will ban will ban you. So what you're gonna do, start providing value. Okay, anyway, you can put a link maybe after 1 week, yeah, but don't try to put every day. Stick with it. Keep on posting daily. Keep on doing it every day. Keep on providing value. I'm telling you, within a few months, you're gonna see results. Trust me on that. Stick with it, guys. This thing, it works. I'm using it. Okay, anyway, I don't want to make this video long, guys. This is how it works. I'm giving you the basics on how it works. So if you take action, you're gonna see result, guys. This is how it works. I'm going to leave the link below down. If you want to know more on how to make money online, there's the link below down that is gonna show you. I highly recommend that you see that link, guys. Anyway, this is how it works. Next time I'm going to show you on how you can use Facebook as well. I mean YouTube, to make money online. Okay, anyway, guys, please, if you like this video, give it a thumb up, like it, comment down below. If you have any question, ask me any question, guys. I'm happy to answer any kind of question. Thank you, guys. Stick with me. Yeah, this is how it was today. Thank you. Bye. See you.